23. It's 8 minutes past 11 o'clock. So I already analyzed the setups I saw previous week, and they came all the way into this week. So I'm just gonna dive into the setups I saw. So on USDCAD, I marked the monthly high, monthly low. I saw this market structure shift, and there's a daily order block I'm looking at right here as a point of interest. When I use the fib from the low to the high, you can see that it's right in the OTE. I saw this liquidity. I'm just gonna move it here. So I'm expecting price to sweep this liquidity, move into our order block, and maybe 50% of the daily order block, and target the monthly high here. Something like this. Easy. Let's go to the EURUSD. EURUSD previous week, this was my analysis. So it didn't push that way, so I'm expecting it to still be valid as long as it doesn't move below the monthly low this week. You know, this fair value, daily fair value gap is our point of interest, and when we use our fib, you can see that it's in our OTE, so 50% of the fair value gap. Simple. Then GBP/USD next. Okay. AUDUSD. So the sell setup, but then so the sell setup, you move down to the 4-hour. It's a 4-hour order block with liquidity here. So this week I'm expecting it to sweep liquidity, hit our order block, and push down something like this. AUDUSD, that's it. Simple. On DXY, so this bicep right here. For our fair gap, 50% of it, that's my point of interest. So expecting something like a liquidity sweep, 50% of our fair value gap, and targeting the previous month's high. That's what I'm looking at there. I also saw something on gold, which was a sell setup. I remember seeing a sell setup on gold. Let's actually analyze it because there's a sell setup here. So monthly high and monthly low. Or let's not use the monthly, let's use the weekly, because I can see it pushing here. Even on the weekly it's still pushing, so it's fine. Let's move down to the daily and use the Fibonacci to find our OTE. Swing high, swing low. Entry time frame, which is our 4-hour, we see 4-hour order block right here. Order block plus OTE. What validates this is the actual liquidity resting below here. So I'm not sure if it's gonna come back up because it's pushing down strongly, but then this is what we're expecting. Something like this. targeting previous month's low here as sell-side liquidity. So quick and easy video. See you next week to see if they respect or what.